has for sale different types of teas. There are regular, strong, medium, and light teas. Flavored teas like cardamom, chocolate, lemon, ginger, Earl Grey. Green tea, which is highly recommended for reducing cholesterol and lowering BP, is also available. White tea, which is made from the buds of the tea leaf, is also available. You can now go down to the manufacturing area and see the machines. You can also taste the tea and buy tea too. Welcome to the tea factory. The process of tea manufacture consists of several stages. The third leaf is then passed through a tube to the rotor vane below. The rotor vane is a machine which crushes and squeezes the leaf. The leaf coming out of the rotor vane then enters the CTC machines. CTC means cutting, turning and curling. These machines, which are 5 in number, have sharp rollers on them. They cut, turn and curl the leaf while it passes through them. After the CTC, the leaf enters the boogie, which imparts heaviness to the tea while the tea rubs on its surface while passing through it. The tea then enters the oxidation area, where it is collected in stainless steel trays and allowed to remain there for almost an hour. During oxidation, the enzymes in the tea react with the oxygen in the atmosphere and changes in color and smell take place. The green colored tea assumes a copper red color and a fragrant smell also develops. After these changes, the tea enters the dryer. In the dryer, the tea is dried using hot air produced by a heater. Tea drying takes almost 16 minutes. After the tea is dried, it assumes a black color as seen in the market. The last 3 stages are cleaning, grading and packing. The fiber in the tea, which comes from the leaf stalk, is removed in the fiber mat. The teas are later graded according to size in the grader. There is a leaf grader and dust grader. The teas are later packed and sent for sale. The factory has for sale different types of teas. There are regular, strong, medium and light teas. Flavored teas like cardamom, chocolate, lemon, ginger, Earl Grey. Green tea, which is highly recommended for reducing cholesterol and lowering BP, is also available. White tea, which is made from the buds of the tea leaf, is